The subconscious mind is often referred to as the hidden power within us. It is a wellspring of creativity, intuition, and profound wisdom. By tapping into its potential, we can transform our lives in ways we never imagined possible. Joseph Murphy, in his work, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, emphasizes the limitless power of this inner reservoir. He states, "Your subconscious mind is like a garden. Whatever you plant in it will grow. Plant seeds of love, hope, success, and abundance." This simple yet profound truth reminds us that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. Edgar Cayce, often called the sleeping prophet, provided readings that revealed the incredible influence of the subconscious mind on our physical and spiritual well-being. Cayce said our mind is the builder. Through our mental patterns, we construct the framework of our lives. Positive mental imagery and affirmations act as blueprints for achieving our highest potential. Dolores Cannon, a pioneer in past life regression, introduced us to the subconscious self through her quantum healing hypnosis technique. In her work, Cannon found that the subconscious not only holds the wisdom of past lives, but also possesses the ability to heal the body and mind. The subconscious is always present, always listening, and it knows everything about you. By accessing this higher dimension, individuals often experience miraculous healing and profound clarity. By tapping into the subconscious mind, we access a treasure trove of potential, healing, and wisdom. What you sow in your subconscious mind, you reap in your reality. The journey inward is not just a path to personal growth, but a gateway to profound transformation. So take a moment to breathe, reflect, and plant the seeds of your future. Trust in the infinite power of your subconscious mind, the silent architect of your destiny.